right? Because Mary Louise, where is she? Right back there. Mary Louise, how many hours are in your day?
24.
24, right. Steve, how many hours in your day?
82.
82. He's Power Man. He's got 24 in his. Mary Louise could only fit so much work into one day. If she was doing it all herself, only a certain amount could possibly happen if she's doing everything herself. Same thing with myself. But what happens if Mary Louise goes out and she recruits 3 people, and they start doing the business as well, pretty good deal. Now they start working, now you have 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 hours, right? There's a lot more potential for more to get done with more people working. Every single person in this room that has a job is being leveraged right now. The only problem is you're being leveraged to help build somebody else's dream, build somebody else's company, not your own. What this affords us is to actually help everybody have their own business, be motivated by their own means to build something, and all of us get to benefit from that as well. So let's say you recruit me, you recruit Steve, and you recruit Becky Bursell. Would that have been a good day? That would have been a good day. You could go home and pat yourself on the back for that one. That would have been good. Then you just sit back and get rich, but that's okay. But let's say you did this, and all of us just, actually, let's say we weren't overachievers, and we just went out and we just did the same thing. We recruited 3 people. There'd be 9 people following your second level. 9 people, let's say they all did the same thing. They recruited 3, they recruited 3, they recruited 3. 7 times later, you would have over 3,279 distributors in your team. Now, you make 3.5% of every single customer that every single one of those distributors makes, that every single customer that they get. So 3.5%. 10% of your own customers, 3.5% of their customers. So this is powerful. Let's say here, does anyone know anyone that actually would do, just the bare minimum to get by? Do we know people like that? We know people that aren't overachievers, that just are okay with like sneaking by and doing what they absolutely have to do just to not get fired, right? Well, some of those people might join your business. I'm not saying a lot, but some of them might. Let's say every one of your distributors was the most flat out, laziest distributor in all of Kiani. They all just did the bare minimum, and they just were customers themselves. They took the product themselves. So $100 of volume every single month. 3,279 times 100 at 3.5%, that's $11,500 a month in residual income. Woo-hoo. Yeah, that's good. Now, I'll tell you, when I say that in Newport Beach, California, they don't get excited until I start talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars, because that does not even pay a mortgage. But this does some powerful things, you guys. That's residual income. That's money you worked for. Not money you're working for every single month or doing something new for every single month. That's money you worked for, and it keeps paying you. I'll tell you, when this became very real to me was last December. I met a gentleman who was in another company, had gotten started in year 5 of that company. Year 5. He had been working that business for 8 years. Then had quit, he had retired, and had been retired now for 7. So 15 years involved in that company, really hadn't done anything for the last 7 years. His residual check in that company was over $2 million a month. $2 million a month, okay? He wasn't in year 1. He wasn't still recruiting and doing the business. He was still making $2 million a month, actually $2,300,000 and whatever. It was ridiculous. That was just that check for that 1 month. And it keeps getting bigger. It keeps growing. Well, when I saw that, I was a little motivated. I saw what we had. And him sitting down with me told me, you know what, Jennifer, your compensation plan is 10 times better than what we had when I got started and what we've ever had. He's like, if I would have had what you have, I'd be making $15 million a month. And I was like, okay. I got chills, I just got them again. I'm going to work. I'm going to work. I now know what we have, and you know what, they just made it even better. What happens if instead of, if you go back here, do the math on this. Instead of 3 duplicating 3 duplicating 3, what happens if you go and become a little bit of an overachiever and recruit 5? In your entire lifetime, if you recruited 5 people, in all of Kiani ever, 5 people, and they all did the same, 5, 25, 125, it duplicates out, do you know how many people you'd have seven times later? Here, instead of this, that would be 97,000 people that you'd be making 3.5% off, over $300,000 a month. Yes. If everyone did the bare minimum, okay? That's in your lifetime. That's not this month, next year. How many of you guys have a plan in place right now, today, without being in Kiani, that you could, 5 years from now, be making $300,000 a month residually? Not very likely. This is something that could take. And how many of you would be well worth it to work for the next 5 years? Let's say you didn't get a penny until 5 years from now, but all you knew on that 5th year, you're going to be making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Would you still keep working for it? Yeah, you're all nodding your head, but that's just something you wouldn't. That's just the pure facts. Some of us wouldn't. We say yes, but a lot of us need instant gratification. Well, that's why we do some things differently here too. we actually have bonuses in place. To get involved in the company, getting started in the company, everyone buys into the company. They get a starter kit for $499. What that does is actually gives them samples, product, all the product they need for themselves, and to be handing out to people to start getting customers. Anyone here own a business? Does anyone own a business? Those are a couple hands. Now, you own your business, right? You said? How much did it cost you to get started in your own business? And it was cosmetic, was it? Hair. Okay. So
self-employed, so I don't own them.
You don't own the whole thing, but it cost you at least schooling to get involved in your business, right? And a lot of us others, I mean, when I bought my franchise, I know I spent over $500,000 just before I even opened the doors, before I even hired employees, before I even found an office. That was just the startup cost, right? And my business was not making millions of dollars every single month. You know, that was not the potential. So here we have tremendous potential. So that is getting started. Now, once we're started and you're involved in the company actually has a couple different positions. Now, the first position we have, and I'll tell you, these slides are a little outdated. We need to update these. 3 weeks ago at our national convention, they actually created a new position in the company to where you can start making money faster, right now, today, right now. And that can happen because how many of you guys in this economy right now know at least 3 people that might be looking for an opportunity to make extra money? Yeah, at least 3. How about 3? How about 300? I'll bet you can come up with a list of a lot of people that are looking. Not just that you would have to approach, but that are actively looking. And guess what? You can be the person to bring something to them that they have been praying for, that they have been thinking for, that they have been begging for, that they have been dying for. You don't know where people are right now in their finances. It is a scary, scary thing. But when you can present something to them that you can tell them, guess what? You could possibly next week make a check for a couple $1,000s. That's potential. That is potential. You could next month, you could be like Mr. Stevie Montalolo, and in your first month in the business make over $137,000. How much of you guys would like to make over $100,000 in your first month? Is that amazing? That is the potential here. That is what is real here in Kiani. Now, I will tell you, that man did not sleep for 30 days. He didn't. He worked his tail off. But how many of you would be able to lose a little bit of sleep to make a lot of money? Yeah. Okay, because that could help a lot of people. Well, what we do, the first position where you're starting to get paid on bonuses is actually a position called Associate Director, so it's before here. What that means is you covered this up, you'd only have 3 people. So you recruit 3 people. You're now an Associate Director. Now, every single person that joins your business, you make $30 every time a new person signs up. Every single time. Pretty good. So you're making cash flow now. So let's say you're an Associate Director and 3 people signed up. Now these 9 people come into your business. 9 times 3, 27, you just made $270. Pretty good, just from new people coming in. That's probably your first couple of days. I'll tell you guys, some people take way too long to get to director. And I will promise you, it is well worth it to take 2 days, take 3 days, take 24 hours to do that as quickly as you possibly can, because what's going to happen that very next week, that very next Monday, after you become a director, you're now eligible for bonuses. You guys, don't wait. Become a story. Because if you can go up and tell your people that I did this in 3 days, I can show you how. Do you think they want to follow you? Yeah. They're going to want to join your team. They're going to want to work with you.